In today's Tech Bites, Hurricane Matthew triggers a social media safety system.
Facebook has activated its safety check for anyone in the hurricane zone.
The check-in tool will allow users to inform their friends across a social media platform that they're safe with just one click. Snapchat is getting ready to go public. According to the Wall Street Journal, the photo-sharing app's parent company is working on an IPO, putting the value at $25 billion.
The report says the company is hoping to sell shares by March. Snapchat has over 100 million daily active users. And Verizon is now working with drone makers to connect their devices to Verizon's wireless network.
So here's the deal. Prices for the plans are roughly in line with what customers pay for data. Having a data plan will allow drones to connect to the internet and stream all that material back to the ground.
Very cool stuff. And those are your Tech Bites.
Have a great day.